Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to learn about positivism and post-positivistic approach to research with respect to social sciences. So before we understand what positivism is, it is extremely important for us to understand the concept of theology. So before the scientific revolution came to front or before the age of science commenced, the common belief that ruled the world was of theology. It meant that people related every phenomenon that happened in life to Almighty. They believed that there was a supreme force, there was a supreme cosmic connection with every phenomenon that was happening in life. There was no concept of science in that age. So when the age of science came to front, when people like Einstein and other scientists brought their discoveries and brought the concept of science to front, that is when positivism came to the surface. Auguste Comte is the person who is referred as the founder of positivism. So before I go to the details, let me just give you a broader vision of what positivism is. Now, according to positivists, there is nothing in the world so called as metaphysics or something like God. According to them, science was the only concept that ruled the world. So let us go to the details. Now, positivism asserts that reality can be understood only through scientific inquiry. इसका मतलब कि साइंस रूल करती है लाइफ के हर फिनोमिनन को और अगर हमें कोई कॉन्सेप्ट जानना है तो हमें एक रैशनल व्यू पॉइंट के साथ आगे जाना पड़ेगा. The next point is knowledge can be verified through senses and direct observation, focuses on cause and effect phenomenon and rejects metaphysics. Now, according to positivists, there is no knowledge in the world that cannot be conceived by the sense organs. According to them, whatever happened in life, whichever phenomenon, it could be studied through science, and human sense organs had the power to observe and conceive every phenomenon, and they rejected the concept of metaphysics. Like for example, galaxies या space की बातें या जो भी philosophical बातें होती हैं, उनको ये लोग absolutely reject करते थे. The next point is research conclusions should be based on verifiable facts and not purely on intuition or philosophy or value. Now, हम social sciences के sphere में अगर बात करें तो पॉजिटिविस्ट्स ये कहते हैं कि जब भी आप कोई रिसर्च करो, बेशक सोशल साइंसेज में या किसी और साइंसेज में, तो आपके पास जो डेटा होना चाहिए वो कोई भी वेरीफाई कर पाए. आपके पास इम्पिरिकल डेटा होना चाहिए, क्वांटिटेटिव या नंबर्स में डेटा होना चाहिए. ये सब्जेक्टिव वैल्यूज में बिल्कुल बिलीव नहीं करते थे. इन्होंने कहा कि फिलोसफिकल रिसर्च जैसा कुछ नहीं होता बिकॉज आप उसे वेरीफाई नहीं कर सकते हो. इंट्यूशन जैसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती और अगर आप रिसर्च में कोई भी कंक्लूजन ला रहे हो तो वो एग्जैक्टली रिलायबल होना चाहिए, वैलिड होना चाहिए और उसे कोई भी वेरीफाई कर पाए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट्स बेस्ड ऑन क्वांटिटेटिव रिसर्च एंड क्वांटिफाइबल ऑब्जर्वेशंस. ये कहते हैं सोशल साइंसेज में आप जो कंक्लूजन लाओ वो क्वांटिटेटिव डेटा के थ्रू होना चाहिए. नॉलेज इज ऑलवेज मेजरेबल, बिलीव्स इन एम्पिरिसिज्म. एम्पेरिकल डेटा क्या होता है? क्वांटिटेटिव, जो नंबर में डेटा होता है. वो कहते हैं कि लाइफ में कुछ भी, बेशक सोशल साइंसेस या प्योर साइंसेस, अप्लाइड साइंसेस, हर फिनोमेना क्वांटिफाई हो सकता है. Purely rationalistic and usually adopts deductive approach that research is guided by theory. आपको डिडक्टिव अप्रोच और इंडक्टिव अप्रोच मैंने पहले वीडियोस में कराया ही है. सो दे बिलीव दैट एवरीथिंग इज बिकॉज ऑफ अ रीजन, cause and effect relationship, and there has to be a theory, there has to be a body of knowledge और उसे आप अप्लाई करके और चीज़ें फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो और चीज़ें सरफेस पे ला सकते हो. पॉजिटिविज्म सेट्स आउट टू प्रिडिक्ट एंड कंट्रोल रियलिटी. मतलब कि ये बिलीव करते हैं कि लाइफ में कुछ भी प्रिडिक्ट किया जा सकता है ओनली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एविडेंस एंड ओनली ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइंस. एंड कंट्रोल रियलिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? कोई भी चीज़ें, जैसे हम वेरिएबल्स की बात करते हैं रिसर्च में, तो ये कहते हैं कि लाइफ में ऐसी कोई फोर्स नहीं है जिसको साइंस कंट्रोल ना कर पाए. तो इनके व्यू पॉइंट में फिलॉसफी कहीं भी मायने नहीं रखती, थियोलॉजी या कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ गॉड को ये लोग नहीं मानते. Now coming to post positivism. So Max Weber को कहा जाता है the proponent figure who brought post positivism to surface. Now this concept is absolutely opposite to positivism. They criticize positivism. According to them, science exists, empirical data exists. You can measure certain things quantitatively, but still in life there are concepts which are beyond the comprehension of human beings. That is, they are beyond the comprehension of human senses and observation. They assert that reality can never be fully known and that not everything is completely knowable. So, according to them, in life there are certain phenomena which are beyond human comprehension, right? And you cannot know the reality of the world, of the universe, cosmos completely. They believe in science, they believe in quantitative results, but at the same time, they believe that there are certain phenomena that are beyond human control. Accepts limitations of human intellect and senses. Now they say that human senses जो होती हैं वो limited होती हैं, वो universe के सारे concept को observe नहीं करती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप बैट्स को देख लीजिए जो मैमल्स की कैटेगरी में ही आते हैं, उनकी जो साउंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी है दैट इज बियॉन्ड ह्यूमन कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, राइट? ह्यूमन बीइंग साइंस ने उसे समझ तो लिया है, but till today we cannot hear that frequency. So this is exactly what post-positivists are trying to say, that science exists, but human senses के beyond भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, space, metaphysics, they exist. Post-positivism is also known as methodological pluralism. You will have to remember this because this is asked in many questions. It is concerned with subjectivity of reality and moves away from the purely objective stance adopted by the logical positivists. अब ये क्या कहते हैं? They believe in subjective data. बट यहाँ पे आपके अंडरस्टैंड करने की चीज़ ये है कि ये साइंस को नलिफाई नहीं करते. They believe in quantitative data, they believe in quantitative observations, but at the same time they also believe in subjectivity, right? For instance, post-positivists methodology criticizes the reliance on the quantitative methods only. वो कहते हैं कि सिर्फ quantitative observation नहीं होती है. They argue that they cannot provide the observer with comprehensive picture. मतलब कि हर चीज लाइफ की एविडेंस के साथ प्रूव नहीं हो सकती, as that is beyond human comprehension. Okay, so a quick revision before we close. First was theology, before the commencement of the scientific revolution, that believed that every phenomenon in the world, in the universe, was because of the cosmic power, was because of God, and that was their religious faith that prevailed. And then came the age of science, then came scientific revolution, and then came to surface the positivists that believed that everything could be comprehended, everything could be calculated in terms of quantitative data and could be verified because of साइंस. साइंस के आगे कुछ नहीं है इस यूनिवर्स में. पोस्ट पॉजिटिविस्ट्स ये कहते हैं क्वांटिटेटिव डेटा है, साइंस है, बट देयर इज समथिंग विच इज more than science, something which is beyond human comprehension, and the human sense organs have their limited capacity. Alright, I hope this video was helpful to you and it did provide you an insight into positivism and post-positivistic approach towards research. And please take very good care of yourselves. Keep smiling. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer them. And please take very good care of yourselves. Till I see you next.